It's almost, it's already noon here. I just bought ASEAN and with the hope that it's actually going to continue up. But this doesn't look so well. The VWAP isn't really rejecting it at all. Another thing is, on the 4 hour, this looks pretty much like a rolling over. Well, and my original target from yesterday was actually hit a few hours ago and it went back up. So I'm not so sure this is actually a very good idea to buy it here. But here's some rejection which could be interpreted on the 15-minute as such. Yeah, like here. Just in the morning it went a little bit down. Maybe I move the stop even down and add some size to it. As it looks actually pretty nice. So I'm not so sure what to do here yet. But let's see how it goes.
Hope the day yesterday. How's things so far?
Sorry, some audio problems.
Morning.
Morning.
Do you have a target? New Jersey.
Well, the target will be the high. My target from yesterday, actually, which I didn't trade on. Same number, 84,397. If it goes there again, and thus, I'm not really into breakout trading, but 85.30 could be a good place to be, but this is probably gonna take all freaking day.
You're looking at getting long on that chart?
Yeah, but this on the 4 hour that doesn't look very long. Right, some audio. And yesterday I actually had this up move as a signal with a target of 84,397. Guess what? It's already went there in the US session yesterday.
Oh, 14 alone. How are you doing? How's your account?
It's been better. I lost about 90k, 100k in a month. Fucking around with options.
No.
Normal day in paradise.
Right?
I made about half of it back already in the last 40 days. I had some personal shit and being
Okay.
but almost got it all back.
Are you still trading like Neo and stuff or something else?
Trading Neo, American Airlines. I'm looking at shorting construction companies and materials at some point soon. In the next month to 6 months, depending on how crazy this shit gets.
Okay.
So you're trading more on a fundamental basis, or is there also a technical aspect to it?
Let me think about that for a second.
As far as I know, he's trading a netting account.
Yeah, sure. It's US and stocks. It's always netting.
I mean, I would say 80%, 90% of what I do is going to be technical, but I'm starting to kind of look at the fundamentals a little bit more.
So that's a new thing, basically. So it's basically the same what we do, actually.
Yeah, I'm looking at what you're basically exactly what you're doing. I'm looking for breakout levels, or I'm looking for failures at double tops and you know, continuations and all that good stuff.
Support resistance or?
Support resistance. That's all trade is support and resistance, and a few patterns that I recognize that I've seen a ton of.
Okay.
No, I meant about the fundamental parts. Like we do, we look what's going on in the market, and then if that supports movement, then that's of course good for us. But the main reason for enter and exit is technical. It's more like just supercharging the trade, basically, yeah, by a fundamental reason.
I approach everything from the technical side, and then I look for the fundamentals to give me an extra boost, basically.
Yeah, so it's basically the same, yeah.
Like everybody has been trying to get long on airlines that I've been reading about, thinking that American Airlines is going to pop, but I've been shorting it for 2 weeks now. And it just keeps dropping lower and lower and lower. Just because, you know, company shit, market's overextended.
Oh yeah, this is just a no-brainer. I don't know why people do that, because yeah, well, I know why people do that. I mean, we all know why people do that. If people give you stock advice, that's when you exit. Actually, what I wanted to say is, yeah, buying airlines. That was I did buy Delta as example, but that was a year ago, in the midst of the crisis. Not now. This train has passed a long time ago.
Yep. They're still being held up though. There are a lot of people coming in. Volatility. The calls to put ratio is crazy right now. They haven't even started to fucking eat shit.
Yeah, the problem is everybody thinks that this is gonna be over by tomorrow. Everybody ignores the fact that that COVID will never be over. It's just like HIV. This will never be over. This will be. We have to live with that until the end of this planet. But who do I tell that? And then the airlines, yeah, like you said, they haven't started eating shit yet. There are gonna be a lot of crashes when they restart their businesses, because they're neglecting the maintenance, and all this kind of stuff gonna come. It's gonna go all into short plays.
Well, fucking American Airlines and a couple other carriers were fucking dog shit pre-pandemic. They were fucking on their way out already. Especially American Airlines, like they were doing horrible pre-pandemic.
Look at Thai Airways.
Oh yeah.
In February, I was actually planning on buying Thai Airways. Like, I don't know, put 100 grand on Thai, and then just when the all holy government mentions something about they're gonna help them, then they're gonna whatever. If they just, I mean, they're dog shit. They're like 20 cents or something like that at this point. They just go to $1 and just sell everything, double the money real quick. Like, do a penny stock trade on an actual blue chip. Well, blue chip, whatever.
Yeah.
But I never got into it because I don't want to buy it OTC because I mean, look at the chart from Thai Airways. It's also traded in the US. If there's something happens, you're not gonna get out of the trade. So you have to trade it in Thailand.
Pound yen.
Yeah, it seems a little scary.
I have no problem doing that, but I looked up a few brokers to get an SET account. I think Taxman has one. I need to ask him what brokers he's using. And Tisco Bank as example, and a few others, and they all have negative leverage. That means I have to have 6 times the money on the account when I buy something. Like if I buy a stock for $1, I have to have $6 on my account. I say, what the fuck?
Yeah. Fuck that. You can find better opportunities.
I mean, for a quick scalp play, that's fine, but have you seen SET charts? There are more holes than bars, so never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why should you have that then? Don't say any reason.
This is back from 1997 when the economy crashed for real, and then they introduced that for retail that you have to have -6 leverage.
Okay, I didn't know.
If I buy 1,000 baht worth of stock, I have to have 6,000 on my account. It's basically the brokers don't want to lose money. If you get margin calls, they still have enough money to take from you without suing you.
I was trading with German brokers locally in 19 something, yeah, but it was never about negative margin.
Yeah, they introduced that in 97, I think, or 2001. I'm not so sure.
For sure, I never got that.
Yeah, I think this is just the brokers playing the safe game, and like I said, if they have to margin call you and there's a gap, they have nothing to worry because they force you to have enough money on your account, so they just take it.
Yeah, sure.
I need to ask Taxman what brokers he is using, and I'm gonna make some plays here.
Is he still using those brokers? Sorry. Is he still using those kind of brokers with negative margin?
No, that's what I wanted to find out. If maybe he knows a broker that doesn't do that shit.
So we're 10 minutes away now to the top of the hour, so we get the European futures open for the last trading day of the week. Additionally, at the top of the hour, we do have the EU27 new car registrations for March, prior reading of -19.3%.
Oh god, it's Friday already.
I think in February Thai was at 9 cents or something like that on New York Stock Exchange, and then I was okay. Let's just put 1 million Thai baht on an account here, and then it happened what happened to all the airlines. They just spiked up because of the stimulus, and then just sell the shit and triple the money like overnight, basically. But yeah, because of that, I never did it. Yeah, you're right. Airlines are gonna go down at some point. This is just, like I said, there's gonna be a lot of crashes when they restart businesses because of neglectance of service, maintenance and whatnot.
Yeah, for sure. I've just noticed that I think a lot of the big boys have been unloading over the last month. Or not about the last 3 weeks. I've noticed a lot of the smart people have been getting out.
I don't think that's fundamental reason. It's just I think that's just because of risk.
Yeah, no, yeah, for sure. I think they've seen the light, and are taking profits.
There will be a stimulus. Somebody will help them, and then they will go up temporarily.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Especially for Thai Airways, because this is the national airline, the pride of the country, blah blah blah. So they are actually bankrupt since over a year already, but they're still flying. The main planes they don't fly, but the subsidiaries they are still flying. Guess the name of the game is find an airline that has a bad service record and short them, because they're gonna crash. I mean, some are gonna crash. That's just a given. And just short them. Wait for one to crash. It's just maybe unethical, but this is pretty much a safe bet, because there will be crashes. That's unavoidable.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab 3,000 to 5,000 shares of American Airlines after its next pop. Because like you said, there'll be a new round of news. There'll probably be some more bailouts, and then they'll basically kind of release the reins on airlines and basically say you're on your own after this, and that's probably when shit's gonna hit the fan.
Yeah, but this is when you have to be long, but it's just for a scalp. You're holding them until they do this. They will spike up. You sell, and then maybe you sell more than you actually have bought.
Yeah. Yep.
And then they're all gonna sing Kumbaya, gonna start flying again, and then you just wait for one to crash. I should have bought this dip more heavy, but I wasn't so sure if it's actually gonna go up.
Pound yen.
It looks like it's just about to break that previous high. It wants to go. chart in real time?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
What's the delay on your chart?
I don't understand what you mean.
Is that real time? Like there's no delay?
The stream
Yeah.
is about a second, maybe half a second-ish. I don't know.
Okay.
We can test it. Let me just drop a line. Are you seeing the stream? The stream?
Yep.
Okay, I'm dropping the line now.
Seven seconds.
Wow. Shitty internet.
Did you buy that breakout?
No, I bought support. Actually, I bought the VWAP and then I figured out that there is some support-ish, whatever. That was my reason to enter. My stop is the red line. I'm gonna move it up now. Yeah, that could be it actually. Looking at the 15-minute. It kinda broke out. I'm not so sure.
Just over a minute now to the top of the hours. We've the EU27 new car registrations for March. Again, a power reading of minus 19.3%.
Yeah, that could be it actually. It will be a pretty fake and go all the way back down. Maybe not.
Well, it creates a support up there.
Yeah, what is the support? Because on the forward there's no real... Oh, there is. Shit. Yeah, highs usually not work. Let's see how that looks on the 15. Yeah, it's a bit higher than yesterday's high. It's actually a pretty cool feature. It's like in Sink or Swim, I can just move the line like this, and it's gonna move on the other time frame as well.
European car sales surged 63% in March, erasing early year declines.
I don't do horizontals, but this looks pretty nice. Yeah, but I think let's just copy that and use the low here. Yeah, make this a little bit darker. Come on, give me a color. There we are. That's not much different. There's R1 too. Let's just see how R1 lines up on the 4 hour. This is the high from 2 days ago. Wait, 2 weeks ago. I guess we're done here already. This is already... This is probably just a fake out. How much is that? It's just 3 pips. It's very likely it's just a fake out. It's gonna go back down from here. Or maybe I'm just paranoid. Where's my position axis? There it is. Yeah, the rest of the spectrum looks not so well. Pound yen is especially, and the DAX just dipped down. Yeah, this looks like a fake. Should have taken profit. There was no technical target either. It just stopped moving. Like on the 3 minute, there's not really a target. It literally just stopped moving. This resistance here is too far. This is even higher than the pivot. Assuming this is gonna take a few-ish minutes, whatever. 5, 6, 7. Let's just see where that is real quick. 5, 6, 7. Oh, where is it going?
Cable.
There we go. Yeah, this is very optimistic. I think if it goes that high, I will probably aim for the top. I don't think this is gonna break out anyway.
Pound yen. Scale in 5. Cable.
Fuck, this is like watching grass grow.
Yeah, this is just a decision plays. I'm actually very tempted to get off this trade because this looks like it's gonna turn here. It is a 15-minute chart, by the way.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, this is nowadays the only resistance I can find. The DAX is still holding. That is good. And the Nasdaq too. What's the Nikkei telling us? Oh, it just bounced off the VWAP.
Brexit news and reminder, yesterday we saw the Brexit Minister Frost and European Commissioner counterpart Šefčovič meeting in Brussels last night, discussing the situation in Northern Ireland. So Playbook reporting this morning to expect a statement on the talks this morning.
Have you always traded your own money, or did you ever work for any funds or anything like that back in the day?
Always own money, basically.
Okay.
I did some other people's money, but on private arrangements.
Okay, I got you.
And I'm still doing that. Officially. Conflict of interest is a major issue. Yeah, like I said, I should have taken profit here. Damn it. Pound cable is going down too. That's gonna hurt in a minute. Ah, fuck it, let's just scale in.
Scale in 5.
Probably not gonna break out.
Which currency is that you're trading?
How's it all Japanese yen?
Yen. Okay, that's what I thought. It's a couple of really big fucking Japanese day traders. Done some crazy shit over there.
Oh yeah. Quite a large number of them are female, actually.
Pound yen.
Less ego, better trading.
Yeah. And if you go to a trading expo or something like that in anywhere on the world, mostly, if you see a girl there, this is usually a bored girlfriend of somebody. But in Japan, this is different. This is pretty much 50-50.
Yeah. Yeah.
Playing with fire here, I really should take profit.
Meant to type good, not God.
Just have a quick look at the euro. It's kinda... yeah, that doesn't look too bad, too good. And the DAX is going back to the VWAP too. Oh, this is gonna go down in a minute. I'm just paranoid.
I am selling Euro CAD for S1.
Doesn't look horrible. Still holding up. Just trying.
Yo.
The DAX is holding the wave up. What's the Nikkei doing? Maybe I'm just paranoid.
God, I can't fucking wait to be able to deploy 300,000-400,000 worth of fucking capital before margin.
Aussie yen seems to make a push at least for yesterday high.
Yeah.
Knew it's gonna go down. Damn it. Fuck, look at the pound.
The bottom of the hours, we await the release of the Swiss producer and import prices for March. Month-to-month, the power flat reading, while year-on-year, minus 1.1% previously.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's gonna hurt in a minute. Maybe the VWAP is holding. I'm gonna scale in a little bit. Because I'm a sadist.
Oh, good luck. I'll be back in 2-3 hours. See how things are going.
Alright. Wow, the pound dropped hard. Knew this is gonna go back down.
Aussie dollar.
2020 PARTY give PLZ take NRG 2020 PARTY give PLZ take NRG 2020 PARTY give PLZ take NRG 2020 PARTY.
Fucking stupid. Fucking spam.
Fucking emojis.
I didn't know it did that. I spammed him with emojis.
You did that. And like the VWAP is holding on the Aussie dollar, but this is very borderline. Don't like that at all. Yeah, the Aussie dollar is gonna go down. Oh, this is gonna hurt in a minute. Now I scaled in. My exposure is high. I'm gonna have a 0.14-ish drawdown, maybe 0.5, 0.15.
Scale in 5.
Alright, get ready to lose some money.
Three minutes now to the release of the Swiss producer and import prices for March. An update in vaccines in the EU, as the Swedish vaccines are saying several EU countries are in talks on Russia's Sputnik vaccine. Adding that Sweden could get some Sputnik doses in June-July period.
Euro dollar.
.6% month-to-month, while year-on-year at minus 0.2% for the Swiss March producer and import prices. So again, just repeat, that's month-to-month 0.6% and year-on-year at minus 0.2 from Switzerland.
Aussie dollar.
It's right there, moment of truth, but I think this is not gonna go back up.
Yes, Aussie USD wants to go down as well, might be a good short to next level. Or at least low of the day.
Aussie dollar. Euro dollar.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm used to fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled 'cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm used to fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown.
A French government spokesman commenting that the government is working on progressive reopening of some terrace and cultural venues from mid-May,
Aussie dollar.
adding that France will have the means to offer the COVID-19 vaccine by this autumn to young people aged 12 to 18.
I won't waste my love on your heart. Sorry 'cause I can't get what I want, and I don't need you. Discharging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high,
Comments here from the French Junior Industry Minister. There is a big probability that the EU Commission will end AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine contracts at expiry.
Yeah, step out is coming up in a minute.
Euro dollar. Aussie yen. Aussie yen.
Early looks to the FX market this morning as cable falling down to a day's low, dropping 0.4%, currently trading at 137.26.
Euro dollar.
Just over 3 minutes time now to the top of the hours with the European cash equity open for the last trading day of the week. So far, noting that futures are pointing to a subdued open for the Euro Stoxx 500, currently up about 0.1%. Saying that does, however, keep the market at yesterday's highs, which represents the richest the market, both futures and index itself, had traded since the global financial crisis at the start of 2008.
Hedge all. DAX.
Some Chinese data. Xinhua reports that Chinese January to March central state-owned enterprises net income up 220% year-on-year.
Want to short Aussie USD, but that wick from support line does not give good RR.
Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar.
Merkel adding that the situation is very serious. ECB's Villeroy calling for revised simplified fiscal rules, adding they shouldn't scrap the Maastricht numerical targets. It doesn't see bank sovereign lip in France while urging creation of a common EU fiscal capacity. Just going to repeat that, that's ECB's Villeroy calling for revised simplified fiscal rules, urging the creation of a common EU fiscal capacity.
Coffee time.
Just a heads up, in about 3 minutes' time, we're expecting to hear from German Finance Minister Scholz, who will be speaking ahead of the Eurogroup meeting today. Just a heads up, the finance ministers in the EU will be meeting for April's Eurogroup meeting, discussing the banking union, insolvency procedures, digital euro, and the EU's upcoming recovery and resilience fund. We're seeing the release of the statement from the EU's counterpart Sefcovic following the meeting with the Brexit Minister Frost, saying the two sides used the occasion to take stock of all outstanding issues regarding the implementation of the Northern Irish Protocol. Both teams given a political steer for the technical level discussions that should further intensify over the coming weeks. As well from EU Sefcovic, the Commission's ongoing legal actions against the UK for breaching the substantive provisions of the NI Protocol will be continued as long as necessary. German Chancellor Merkel, curfews are necessary to slow the virus but are no bulletproof solution. Merkel saying that they must avoid more delays and half-hearted virus measures, as the vaccine campaign is really making progress. Merkel urging lawmakers to back nationwide virus measures.
Aussie dollar.
Swing check trade in groom.
Just a heads up for the Eurogroup meeting later today, the Austrian finance minister is said to be speaking on CNBC imminently.
Aussie dollar.
Heads up, the Chinese Foreign Ministry now beginning their daily briefing. Comments here from the UK Brexit Minister Frost following the meeting with EU Sefcovic yesterday. The intensive discussions between the co-chairs of the Specialised Committee on the Protocol in Northern Ireland in recent weeks has begun to clarify outstanding issues as some positive momentum has been established. A number of difficult issues remains and it was important to continue to discuss them. With China's Foreign Ministry hoping US and Russia can resolve their differences. Adding that the frequent use of sanctions is bullying. The Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Kato currently speaking that Japan and US aligned on the importance of stable Taiwan Strait. China saying that US and Japan should take seriously China's concerns.
I just wanna give you all I can. There's something about you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. You don't need to tell me that you love me. I don't mind waiting for it to show. Something about you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. Ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So I wanna start illusion with you. Yeah, I wanna start illusion with you. This is where I'm meant to be.
Looks like this is not gonna break out, huh? I should just take the money here, actually.
Never let you go or let you down. There's something about you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start
Pound yen. Pound yen.
You send chills down my spine. Said I'm not worthy of your love. Well, this is definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Looking in the rearview mirror, my decisions may be clearer. You say I'll never find somebody like you. Find somebody like you. definitely goodbye. Oh, it was fun having you around. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so unoriginal. People like you, they're just so predictable. So beautiful. Yeah, you. Just tell me, oh my God, you're so delusional. Thinking I'd ever get high out of your love. So I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. 'Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down. Hope you
Alright, Urian is about to hit R1. I'm guessing I'm gonna take profit around here. 4112 looks like a good target, but I'm not so sure this is actually gonna happen. The Aussie dollar looks really weak. It hasn't really moved much. It's just 6 pips.
Hey.
Pound Yen is also at the reverb. I'm gonna close it here.
Close all.
And of course it's gonna keep going up.
Please can you check EA or N?
What's EA?
10 minutes away now until the top of the hours with the Italian trade balance numbers for February, a prior total of a surplus of 1.587 billion euros worth, with the trade balance EU numbers a prior deficit of 188 million euros.
I just want gold to break up above the VWAP a little bit and give me a little if I'm done.
I haven't looked at gold in like forever.
I know.
I try to avoid it at all cost.
I know. From the time that you started hating gold, I've started to look at it.
Okay, that's how it goes around here.
Well, I mean, you know, I just figure, you know, if I can get by over there, then, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be too easy on me, if you know what I mean. It's really hard though. It's really, really hard.
So what did you say about gold?
I said I don't want to make it too easy on myself, and then I said it's really, really hard.
No, I hear all that. I mean, the first when you started about gold, you mentioned levels.
Oh, I just wanted to break above the VWAP and give me a little after that, and I'm done.
Looks kinda rangy-ish.
Right, like the next one could punish me and go all the way down, or
Yeah.
and give me what I want. And there's no way to tell either way because the VWAP is kind of flat, and yeah.
If you put a gun on my head, I will sell it.
Because it's below the VWAP. Yes.
No. Just on the 4 hour, there is some horizontal level, and on the 15 minute, yeah, like you just said, it's like it's just. But yeah, on the 3 minute, I'm actually on your side. I will more buy it, tending to more buying it.
If I just get like a pip or two above the VWAP, I'm fine.
Oh, you just want to get out off it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because actually when I'm looking at it like now, this looks actually a very pretty sell. See, there is another level where the price is right now. This morning it was kind of support, and then during, I don't know, what is that? 8 a.m. Something happened there, I don't know. But this was just consolidating with some volume. Now it's back at the same level, so I would tend to sell it. But if you just need one pip above the VWAP, that's probably gonna happen. But I would still sell it here, yeah. To the pivot or so, that would be pretty.
Till it breaks another level, it's all about the standard deviation, right?
Oh, I was just about to quick sell 5,000 ounces. Fuck you, C trader. Yeah, I'm gonna just sell a few with 1764.5 as a stop. Okay, that's probably too close. 1764.7.
Oh God, I hope I didn't inspire you to the dark side.
Yes, you did, and now I have somebody to blame.
It's all recorded.
Let me just see if that actually makes sense, because I already placed the order. Oh, actually that does make sense. But yeah, your buy still could still work out either too. And the pivot is right in the middle of things. That's actually a terrible target. Yeah, no, yes, whatever. A little bit below pivot. 1754 maybe. I'm not gonna hold it that long. I'm probably gonna chicken out on the low. Oh, we were talking about gold and nobody did see it because I was on the wrong screen. There's your pip.
No, I needed like a pip or two above.
Your pip shall be my stop.
Yeah, I know. I
Get biblical here. Oh shit, this is gonna go up. Now you have to pip. Ah, the yen pair is going straight up.
Just over a minute now to the top of the hour, so with the Italian trade balance numbers for February.
cable. Pound yen.
What about Euro pairs?
What about them? One.
EANN seems like good opportunity.
Italian trade balance numbers coming through now as the total trade surplus of 4.75 billion euros worth. The trade balance with EU countries at a surplus of 605 million euros worth. Seeing some prior revisions coming through to the Italian trade balance numbers as the total prior revised a surplus of 1.584 billion and the EU trade balance prior revision deficit of 191 million.
Pound yen. Close cells.
An update from the World Health Organization's Tedros, they're approaching the highest level of infection globally seen so far in the pandemic. Reuters reporting that Chinese regulators have asked some banks not to withhold loans to asset management giant Hurong, as Chinese regulators are aiming to contain contagion and help overcome cash flow problems.
I have shorted pound yen. Not a good idea.
It's ready to weave up now. And closing gold.
Close all.
Yeah, I closed my buys.
There's a resistance at 655 and another one 1766 and 17665, and my actual target would have been 6703, which is very likely gonna happen, but this was pure gambling anyway.
Yeah, because I'm trying to get a breakout from that stupid range, and I put too much size on.
Yeah, I did the same. I sold, I don't know, 7 or something like that, and then I just bought 45.
My romantic target is 1771 and 1774, like way the heck up there, and it'll probably, you know, most likely those are going to get hit in New York, but until then, it could be hours.
Yeah, we'll go more for 68.5 maybe.
Right, because that doesn't require a breakout.
Yeah, exactly. And if you look at on the 4 hour, then this is like, if it's gonna break out, then we're talking 84. Maybe even a lot more than that. Let me just be extremely optimistic here and put a line here, and then we are at 1860.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's going to be today or next week. I've got targets up to 1991.
Oh wow, very brave. Yeah, on the 4 hour that looks actually doable. It tested the lows twice, and now it's on the way up. If it breaks this previous support level, which we are at right now, that's why it's consolidating probably.
Pretty straight, and it's not going to be today.
I don't think so either.
And since I still can't control my fucking size, I'm done for the day. Can you believe that? It's still crazy, man.
Looks like she wants to go.
Yeah, I don't care what it does now. I'll just watch.
My actually hedge exit was 66.25. It's just the connected highs. In between between right now actually and 66.25 or 66.50, yeah. And there we go. The usual fuck you.
I don't care because I had so much size that I got enough profit, so I'm done. And if I put my normal size on now, it's too risky.
Yeah, now the risk reward is terrible. Down there with $1.50, different game. Now it's like 6.
And something to chew on that's not popcorn because I don't have any popcorn.
And there she is, just to rub it in.
I'm almost sure of 1771 now.
Actually, a pound yen short doesn't look too bad.
So my shoulda, coulda, woulda is I should have left my normal size remaining, but fuck.
This EN Euro Kiwi. Or Euro Nog. It's so hard to write 6 characters, seriously? Actually, your Aussie is a pretty buy, but it's I guess it's late. Because now you will need like 100 pip stop. Even intraday. Okay, intraday is probably somewhere around here. 33 pips. No, that's a no-go. Also, that's the moving average on the 15-minute in a minute. So that's no trade. Could have bought a VWAP reversal 22 pips ago with a smaller stop about 6, but yeah, this party is over. And if you actually tell me what you want by writing more than 1 character, then this is actually happening a lot faster. But I purposely ignoring this 1 word or shortcut requests.
Got my coffee. Oh shit, I forgot something to chew.
Yeah, I'm gonna reload my coffee too. There is no setup right now anyway, except of buying Aussie Yen, which I will not really... Oh, wow, my exit on Aussie Yen was pretty decent.
I think I'm gonna look for one of those 1-minute setups from the new Aussie guy.
Somebody asked me about an hour ago to react to something in trading room. Cannot find anything.
Internally?
Somebody on the live stream said something about you trading room.
Me trolling them?
Not trolling. Somebody just asked for me to react to something.
Oh. Because I can troll, but it costs. You have to put money in the meter if you want me to troll.
Yeah, no free rides here.
Then why you short it?
Why I short what? I have no open positions. Right at my screen, no open positions. And short what, by the way?
Fuck you, gold.
I moved on already. What is it doing? Let me just reopen it.
No, I went through all of this, all of the instruments, and gold is the best setup, and it's gone.
Yeah, it's too late now. The reward is terrible. Well, Aussie yen will be one, but the pound yen is going down. Able maybe a short, but also Aussie, the Aussie dollar just bounced off the VWAP, so I'm not so sure about that. Hold on a second.
Aussie dollar kind of ranging at the top. Euro dollar might be on a run, but it's already did its thing. You know, it's this time of the day that if I see something, I shouldn't take it. It's stupid of me to even look like that. I can look, but if I don't, if I take it, I'm stupid. That's what's really going on here.
Some update in German political space here is DPA reporting that Laschet and Söder continue discussing the Chancellor candidacy.
It's a quiet world.
Aussie dollar.
I think we're gonna call it a day. I mean, there are a few things to trade on, but maybe buying RCN. I'm not so sure about this movement in general anyway, so I will not do that. And all the rest of the setups have very terrible risk reward. And actually, the pound yen short looks much better than the RCN buy, so yeah, that's conflicting information. With that being said, I'm gonna call it a day. Just hop into our chat room. We're online almost always, pretty much. And it's 100% free. Oh, the status update is from yesterday. Sorry about that. That's from today. Half of the loss from yesterday back already.